miraculous mixture cleansing the heart and brain vessels. Are you out of breath when climbing stairs? Do you feel pain in your chest? Are you experiencing severe headaches and forgetfulness? Can't keep your balance and see blurry while walking? Do you have swelling, redness, and pain in your legs? These symptoms may indicate that you have a blocked artery in your body. Then it's time to use this miraculous mixture to prevent your veins from getting clogged and clear your clogged veins. The mixture of honey and garlic has been used by people throughout history as the most natural medicine, thanks to the components it contains. There are close to 200 components in honey. With honey consumption, your immune system is strengthened and you become more resistant to diseases. Honey is a wonderful natural carbohydrate that provides strength and energy to our body. Garlic is also a natural source of selenium. Selenium is an essential element for metabolism, immune system, thyroid gland, and healthy skin and nails. Garlic also contains 33 kinds of sulfur compounds, 17 kinds of amino acids, germanium, zinc, vitamins A, B1 and C. These amino acids are not directly synthesized by the body, but are included in the group of amino acids that must be taken with food. Garlic, it expands the blood vessels and increases the flow of blood. By accelerating blood circulation, it prevents coagulation for the vein and prevents vascular occlusions that will cause heart attack or stroke. It also dilates the coronary vessels that feed the heart and strengthens the heart muscle. Especially allicin and sulfur compounds have lethal properties against all kinds of pathogenic microorganisms and parasites, bacteria, viruses, fungi, amoeba, worms. Therefore, garlic can be defined as a natural antibiotic that supports the maintenance of healthy intestinal flora, unlike chemical antibiotics. Another miraculous food is lemon. When consumed during the day, it makes the body alkaline, removes the acids accumulated in the body, and balances the pH level. Lemon juice, which is a store of vitamin C, supports the protection of our immune system. Thanks to the citric acid in the lemon content, it creates an environment in our body where kidney stones cannot form. Don't forget to support by liking, commenting, and subscribing before moving on to our video. Let's watch together what happens to our body when we drink this miraculous mixture on an empty stomach every day for 1 month.
Protects heart health. Cardiovascular diseases are chronic diseases with high mortality rates in many countries. These non-communicable diseases are the leading causes of death worldwide. Cardiovascular diseases due to atherosclerosis constitute the majority of deaths in both female and male patients. Metabolic risk factors for this disease, for example, it is linked to hypertension, diabetes, high cholesterol, and obesity. The allicin compound in garlic has many medicinal effects. It is preventive against arteriosclerosis. This compound also has cardiovascular benefits and serious benefits to the circulatory system.
Balances high blood pressure. This natural mixture, which is nature's gift to us, balances blood pressure. It is very useful for high blood pressure patients. Thanks to the antioxidants and rich minerals in its content, your blood pressure is balanced. Consuming this mixture regularly for 1 month on an empty stomach prevents the rise of blood pressure and heart rhythm. Thanks to the vitamins and minerals in its content, our internal organs work more regularly and healthily. In this way, the heart continues to work at its regular pace without getting tired. Good for the blood circulation system. Combined with the curative properties of the sulfur and honey in garlic, it is very beneficial for your blood circulation system. These two materials prevent clotting and strengthen your veins, preventing the formation of thrombosis and varicose veins, which means blood clots in the vein.
Regulates your sexual health. Thanks to the acceleration of blood circulation, the amount of blood reaching the genitals increases and sexual power is increased in men who regularly consume this mixture for 1 month. In addition, since the number and quality of sperm is increased, it is recommended that couples who are planning a baby consume this cure regularly. As a result of scientific research, it has been reported that DATS, diallyl trisulfide, one of the components of garlic, suppresses the development of PC3 cancer cells that cause prostate development.
Strengthens the digestive system. Since the intestinal flora constitutes the largest part of the immune system, this cure, consisting of garlic, lemon, and honey, also contributes to the strengthening of the immune system. A healthy gut also allows for better absorption and availability of nutrients, which means more useful items reach the cells.
Reduces the risk of cancer. Weakening of our body's immune system is dangerous. The risk of cancer increases as a result of insufficient nutrition of cells in terms of minerals and vitamins. Thanks to the minerals and vitamins in garlic, lemon, and honey, it will meet the needs of the cells and protect our body against the risk of cancer. On the other hand, these compounds can disrupt the growth of cancer cells and thus initiate cell death through apoptosis, suicide. In doing so, they inhibit the spread of tumors. In scientific studies, the preventive effects of garlic for colon cancer, stomach and esophageal cancer, lung and breast cancer have been proven. Unlike the oil-soluble sulfur compounds of garlic, the water-soluble SAC, S-allylcysteine, compound has been reported to suppress the development of non-small malignant, rapidly progressing and spreading lung cancer cells in a study in mice.
Preparation of honey, garlic, and lemon juice mixture. Preparing this mixture is quite simple. Peel a head of garlic. Crush the garlic in a wooden pestle and put it in the jar. Cut 2 lemons in half and squeeze them. Add the lemon juice to the jar. Add a coffee cup of honey to the jar and mix well. Cover the mouth of the jar with a cotton cloth and leave it in a closed place for a week. Then close the lid of the jar and put the mixture in the refrigerator. This effective mixture is now ready to be consumed. This magnificent mixture does not spoil for a long time. The longer it stays in the refrigerator, the greater the effect.
How the fabulous trio uses. Swallow 4 teaspoons on an empty stomach every morning for 1 month. Take no more than 1 teaspoon at a time. Swallow the mixture by dissolving it in the mouth immediately without swallowing. It is important to consume this wonderful mixture in this way. It is important that the drug is absorbed into the capillaries from the mouth, not in the stomach. People who are healthy do not get sick with this wonderful mixture. People who are sick should be careful to consume this mixture on an empty stomach in the morning for at least 1 month a year. When you use it regularly, you will witness positive developments in your body.
Cleanses the liver. The liver is one of the vital organs of our body and has more than 500 functions. It produces the proteins the body needs. It provides energy by processing food. It produces bile, which is necessary for the absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, and allows them to flow into the intestine. It works like a filter that renders any harmful chemicals that enter the body harmless. Causes such as headache, pale skin, white spots on the tongue, constipation and gas, nausea mean impaired liver function. In this case, the liver needs to be cleaned. Thanks to the components in garlic and lemon, it cleans the liver. Thanks to this mixture, which is very strong as an antioxidant, it helps to remove toxins from the liver. This mixture will improve stomach acid and accelerate bile secretion. By cleaning the liver, which is the filter of our body, you will get rid of many diseases and be protected from possible ailments. In order to see the effect of this miraculous mixture faster, you should switch to healthy eating habits. You should quit smoking. You should get rid of your excess weight and adopt an active lifestyle.
If you want to be informed about useful information on our Natural Health channel, you can support by liking, subscribing and pressing the bell button. In this way, you can watch our new videos with the notifications that will come to your message box. Stay healthy, see you again.